24th of June 2021. Here's Kalastajankuja. Fiskargränden 10 stegis I. Here in Matinkylä, Matiby, Espoo, this Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Finland. Also in Uusimaa. And this section building was built or finished like on the turn of the year 1991, and this Valmet Otis elevator was built in early 1991, turning 30 years old this year in 2021. The serial number is B10960 and it's going to be inspected in 2023 with 6 floors. Looks like some of them are a bit burned.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing fast. So, because it's fast, we can still take 2 rides.
Yeah.
But we have to wait quickly.
Yeah.
Because we don't have time. So here in Matinkylä, you have found some easier codes, not so difficult ones.
Yeah.
That's great. Because then we can get as many as possible and at the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inspektiipaikki vai maintained-paikka on.
Yeah, that's good maintenance. Better than always.
Yeah.
I also love the sounds in the braking.
Yeah.
Braking sounds, yeah. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And please also watch the other stages to see once we get to them.
That's